Big news for you today, guys. Zadmovic is a striker, and he had an interview namhlanje izolo. Sokhuluma ngaye kabanzi, and also the issue of Igodaro, and also why is Kaizer Chiefs taking so long to announce the new players. So make sure you are stay tuned to the video. Let's jump straight into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakonsistent Podcast. This is where uzithola khona zishisa pe. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from a great town. So namhlanje bafethu again nginiphathele zona zishisa. But before ngiqhubeka ngiyaphambili nenkulumo yami, I just want to thank you guys for the support eninginikeza yona and for the love eningikhombisa yona, because in the last few days bengaposta ama-video. First reason, because internet connection, thenga data and post a video on YouTube kuyabiza, so I had to come up with a plan. And because you guys support and YouTube is starting to pay me, I managed to buy this lena router le yaka MTN unlimited, so I'll be able to post more content for you guys anytime I have some good news. Second reason is because there was no news nge-Kaizer Chiefs, so angena lo muntu who likes to create fake news just for the sake of posting videos. I want to post a video with a valid news. So bafethu, let's trust the process as my channel grow, and also help me reach 4,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like the video, and comment down below usho ukuthi ngicabangani nge-comment nge-content enginiphathele yona namhlanje. So bafethu, namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume nge-striker kade dlalela i-TS Galaxy, uZadmovic. uZadmovic una 30 years, is a striker who scored 8 goals last season and had 3 assists. So altogether he had 11 goal contribution. He's a good striker. He's 30 years old. He has he is a Betway Premiership proven striker. So we know ukuthi uyayazi Betway Premiership and uyakwazi ukuscora against amaqembu eBetway Premiership. So few days back ube ne-interview and he stated that he's willing to join a club like Kaizer Chiefs. He wants to play for a top club. He wants to score more goals for a top club and help the club to go to win some trophies. It was not only Kaizer Chiefs. He mentioned other teams like Orlando Pirates and Sundowns, we know. But the focus was on Kaizer Chiefs because the question was asked ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs kuyaxhumana yini naye, and he responded that Kaizer Chiefs haven't yet made any contact with him, but he's hoping anytime soon Kaizer Chiefs they will come and approach him and give him contracts and to sign this, because he's a free agent. There's no need to buy him, or there's no drama in his situation. Talking about drama, the next player has been drama after drama after drama after drama. So please make sure now you are causing the drama down below, comment, and also subscribe to the channel, like the video if we turn the content. So talking about drama, Etios Igodaro, we all know he's been training alone, not with Sundowns, not with Kaizer Chiefs, but we all know what there's a video, there are pictures of Etios Igodaro traveling in a Kaizer Chiefs vehicle, video showing Etios Ikotaro wearing a Kaizer Chiefs jersey or stuff, right? But the case here is that Ikotaro signed a 5-year contract with Mamelodi Sundowns in a year of 2021. So this means his contract is expiring next year, 2026. So that means Etios Ikotaro is still a Mamelodi Sundowns player, and they are right to demand money to from Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bethole uIkotaro. So bafethu, let's hope Kaizer Chiefs they can seal this deal and bring Etios Ikotaro home with no drama, and also they can bring Zadmovic. We need them both. We don't need to choose, but if we had to choose, guys, when ubuzokhetha muphi phakathi Etios Ikotaro, who's been in South Africa for 5 years now, and Zadmovic, who's been in South Africa for 1 or 2 years and last season scored some real good goals and assisted some good assists also. Make sure you comment down below and tell me what do you think. Who do you prefer lapha eNaturena if we had to choose between Etios Ikotaro and Zadmovic? But for me, I think we need them both. Bobabili sibating eNaturena. So please, Kaizer Chiefs, do the right thing. Bring them both. Talking about the drama and everything, we know that Kaizer Chiefs is being included with drama eningi makuza kuma-players, including Asanele Velepai and also Luke Badman. I know you guys story lesson necessary talking about the same players, but we have to follow the process because we want them lapha eNaturena. I think Kaizer Chiefs want to follow zonke iy'tep zomthetho because they don't want to see themselves njengakudala where we were banned on signing players, yabo into enjalo kungabe i-disaster enkulu. So I think they are following every procedure to sign the players properly, yabo. So guys, let's be patient, although we've been patient for a long time, and inkantolo le-PSL, I think they are also playing games because they keep on postponing the case. Mase kuyisikhathi se-dates baxoxa inkulumo engaphelele and then postpone the date. So let's hope bazofika esigabeni sokuthi bevumelane nabadlali ukuthi be-terminate ama-contracts and the boys can come and play for Kaizer Chiefs. As we know, this weekend we are kicking off a new season of Betway Premiership. Hopefully players can come earlier so they can get used to the environment and gel with other players. So guys, please do comment down below and tell me which striker would you prefer between Etios Ikotaro and Zadmovic if only we had to choose. But for me, I think we need them both. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure you like the video and please subscribe. Continue subscribing. Yonke into engiyenzayo enhle engiyithole imali yaku YouTube, I will show you guys ukuthi what is the process as I'm trying to grow my channel to be one of the biggest channels in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Danko.